Hey everyone, I am back with another Valentine's Day look. My earrings. So my whole outfit is from Torrid. I'll just throw that in real quick. So the earrings, the dress, and the jacket. I'll show you the jacket. I don't have it on because it's hot. But I got this whole outfit from Torrid. That's the jacket. If you want to see pictures, I do have some pictures on TikTok along with the tutorial. So what I did for this look, I tried to keep it kind of simple. So I used the Jaclyn Hill again, Volume 2 from Morphe. I call this my Valentine's Day palette anyway because it has all these pinks and purples. So in this look, I started out with this G Money brown. And I got that under the brow. And then I blended that in with this color called Next. And then I used Crazy in the crease. And I used this black on the lid. That's Temptress. And then in the inner corner, I used Living My Best, that red on the inner corner. So before I put down the eyeshadows, so underneath the eyeshadows, I used bases. I used this black base from Moira Cosmetics. I don't know let me see if it has a name or not, but it's a black base, cream base. I'll show it to you. So I put that down, and then I also used a P. Louise base, one of the Rumor ones. This is in Rumor 0.5. So I put that in the inner corner to put the red on top, to make the red pop. And then for the glitter on top of the red, I used a Lit Cosmetics glitter. And it's in Glittergasm number 3. Probably can't see that, but that's what the glitter looks like. So it's a red, like holographic glitter. I didn't put a highlight on because I used this blush from MAC. What did I do with it? Oh, it's right here in my face. Usually does be in my face. Sweet as Cocoa. So I'm sure this is oldie and goodie that some people might be familiar with. So it still has like a golden shimmer in the blush. So I kind of used it as a blush / highlight. For lips, I used a lip liner from Juvia's Place I think this is in Brownie. Yeah. And then I filled in the lips with this lipstick from MAC in Whirl. This is the older version, original version. So applied that to the lips. I just wanted to do like a nude lip. And that's pretty much it. I kind of, like I said, tried to keep it pretty simple. And like I said, I'll put the link for the tutorial down below. And I'll let you go, but I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own for Valentine's Day. And enjoy. Take care.